how to change color in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up one of your designs on a blank page, just like this one. So for example, I'm going to teach you how to change color for the text and then for example, shape. So what you can do here is just click on the text. If you want to change the color of the text, click on it. And then you can see the color option here. Now here you can choose any of the default solid colors here. So let's say I'm going to change it to deep blue. As you can see, now the color has been changed. Or if you want to add a new color, you can just click on this one and then choose any of the colors here available, as you can see. And then if you want to change the color of this shape here as well, you can just click on the shape, then click on the color here at the top, and then you can just choose any of the default solid colors or the default gradient colors here as well. So let's say I'm going to change it to deep blue, as you can see. Now if you want to add new color as well, you can do that the same thing with the text, and there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.